Hey guys, this is David, and today we're going to install the Nilight Off-Road Fender Flares kit. It is compatible with a 2007 to 2018 JK and JKU. It is solid steel and powder-coated black. That's it. All right, so the tools we're going to need is a 13 millimeter wrench, 13 millimeter socket, trim removal tools, 8 millimeter socket. That's about it. And that is for the Nilight Fender Flares. And this is the hardware that comes in the box. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so one thing that I forget is the 10 millimeter socket for the 6 bolts of the liner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here on the bottom, and the 6th one is on the actual bracket right here. All right, so after removing all those bolts, you have to disconnect the side marker light. You just pull this fender liner, twist it, pull it out, and actually there's a clip that this harness is connected to. Let me just see if I can show you that. Right here. That clip, just remove it with the trim removal tool. So after you removed the clip where the harness is connected to, just leave it hanging like that. And this is the time actually to remove the fender. Let's get it done. Like so. So after removing the bumper, you can just go ahead and unplug the light harness. Like so. So what we need to do now is remove all those triangular clips. Causing any damage. There you go. It works. So after all the clips have been removed, I would clean that. You don't have to remove that. It seems like it, I don't know, the fender flares have a groove so they can sit right on top of this bracket. So I'm gonna leave this bracket, but I'm just gonna clean it up. All right, so like I said, it did come with a groove right here, so you can just lay it on the bracket. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the 13 millimeters bolts and nuts with the washers. I'm not gonna tighten it right now, just so we can shimmy it a bit if we need to. All right, that's that. And the last one goes here. Oh, that's pretty tight right there. Come on. There you go. All right. All right, they're all in. All I have to do is tighten everything right now, and then I'll go to the rear. Okay, so for the rear fender flare, there are only 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. And once you remove those, basically all you have to do is pull it out. Okay, we're gonna use the trim removal, the prying tool right here. 1, 2, all right, 3, and 1. All right. And I believe that all we have to do now is just pull that sucker out. And voila. And here as well, we have all those pins. Okay, so on the rear fender, we're gonna use the 2 of the 13 millimeter bolts. And then we have 5 self-tapping screws, bolts, for the remaining. Okay. So self-tapping goes here, 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 3 on the rear side, and then 2 on the bottom right here. Well, in this case, I'm gonna tighten the bolts, the 13 millimeter bolts first, and then I'm gonna screw the self-tapping screws. Okay, so these are the self-tapping bolts, 8 millimeters, and it's pretty straightforward, obviously. Just screw them in. I don't really like that brass finish versus the black here for the two 13 millimeters. We'll see. Don't really like that. But that's what comes with it, so it is what it is. Okay, so I ended up painting the bolt heads, as you can see right here. And I actually found I did have a touch-up paint. There you go. It's a touch-up paint specifically for Mopar, for the diamond black. So I painted both sides. Came out pretty good, I think. And that's it. I'm gonna pull it out, show you how everything looks. Okay, all done. I think it looks great. I did not do it for the looks. I did it because it was rubbing against, the rear was rubbing against my 35s. Well, I have to confess, I came from Florida to Colorado about 2 months ago. And in Florida, we do not have articulation. Everything is flat. Everything is muddy, sandy. And I guess the highest elevation in Florida is about 100 feet. So I needed this. After installing it, I realized that I do need a liner. So I'm gonna order 2 front heavy-duty fender liners. But let's just walk around and see how it all came out. Yeah, definitely not gonna rub now. By the way, these are my other babies, my other toys. Love them. Yeah. So that sums it up. Thanks for watching. I'm David. The next chapter 4x4. This is Negev. We'll see you next chapter.